thorns everywhere. Apparently there's a garden inside, and it's a really cool place to rip. Yeah, this is what we do just to get fucking to a rip site. Look at that. Look at that labor. Look at that's passion there. All right, let's go in. Fucking thorns everywhere. It's not yet clear, Neil. See? Oh shit. Oh my god. Thorns everywhere. There you go. Oh, I'm sweating. So we're inside the garden now, the hidden garden. I'm just gonna walk through the path or track that we normally use. That's Ignacio clearing some scraggle, and Neil.
Maybe you can, this one here.
Because you don't want scraggle when you are ripping. That is the area where we set up our ground stations, or where we just in the middle. Yep. So this area is a bit confusing because it looks like it's a dead end, but it's actually part of the path or the track. So I think the tracker to track time will be somewhere in that corner. They might change it, but yeah, basically that is the track here at the hidden garden.